show, Buffet 2. Welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Cast Ends and Class. And I'm your nice, good, beautiful, great, fun host, Nkupi, the entertainer. Today we are going to be putting sound into this polo. How to stance a polo in a few days. How to stance a polo in a few days. So yeah, already got the coils. Sound is going in. We'll see what we get next. Stay tuned. You'll see.
Almost everything.
How about full of face?
Me no.
How about no full of face? Full of face. LR Gauteng Stains Edition. Up. Media ya hal. XTC diabereka ba. Jolo lo ke la son jutse di panel ja di koletse ka mga re jwa.
That's what those things.
Guys, we decided to leave the car. We came all the way to the rurals to just come and plug sound in the car. This is the rural. Oh, the tower. Remember rightly, we left our car to just come and stroll in. These rurals. Come on, man. Come on, man. Ah, man. But let me tell you something. One thing I love about this is that when you have skill and talent, it doesn't matter where you stay, it doesn't matter where you are, we will come and find you. Now we left our nice car, the NC show, to come and take walks in this mountains. You want whatever service.
We are on our way to buy Katra. We know. Looks like it's homemade. You know those bunny chows where you just taste and you be like, why didn't I just do this myself?
At home. The chips are already weak. They're not crispy.
40 minutes or so hot oil.
So guys, don't blame us when we leave our car to come and stay in a place like this. It's only us and Magogo in the road. There's no taxi. We never had a pip since we came here. It's no such. But there's a mountain there. Mountain that there. I'm sure monkeys are online. So I don't know what the thing is. Oya taya ba yaba. That relation it could be right. Ya ka.
No, 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 my.
I so nje go go. So guys, we're gonna leave everything here. We're gonna leave and that Tez will collect us. We'll come back for the car because we're gonna have to go for spin cars and check out the progress. So now we're going straight to where we stay. We leave everything here and surely come back when we're done. They'll call us. Just not today. It's the weekend. We need to go out. We need to go work. Let's be on the move. Arangpia. Yeah. Utsibile jwang hore utsibile jwang sense ke na le love for lona that's why no nna ayi wa slab ke potata mo beno wa bona beno o nyaka relo mona ke potata love ina bona ka mkhongele ratang bo ga ka tla le koloi bo tawon unimanga kefe Yevan. Bayrekile. Nice face niggas. The nigga just got his Spincar. Evan, tole di rimichela. Rimichela agere ne meta ka pata mare. Follow me. Bitch. Ay. Oru emele mo pe. You Spincar. You Spincar. But you let body can read me. No. Malumi agari. Never tsepile. That's why when o rile re o kutsa bagana. Wa hopola o bile tshirele ka koloi. Wa ra reng o kutsa. Ai Spincar. Rolla, spider rolla. Melemetrica. Ay. Unoroso gawa humana Spincar. Ay, arbaye. Kiriye, kitagolo mai kan. Kiriye. We're got a Spincar. So now he's gonna put in the mid-range. You don't want these speakers anymore. We're gonna put in the mid-range. And now let's have proper speakers. These ones are out, remove, break. You don't care about them. We're gonna put those ones which are gonna sound better. We're calling that cat Saka RSA. Saka RSA. Inemiriva. The nyoko. This guy they put him in Spincar. Remember yesterday we had rims. And then This guy was so stressed. Now he's happy. He's got a car. Remember the wheels that we bought, the rims that I showed you in the previous video? They asked for them. We didn't know why. He said, no, we're going to put them on the Velocity. The red Velocity, that was new. They told us, like, we're going to put those rims on a Velocity. We're like, how can a Velocity be given these rims? It's going to look ugly. But we're like, anyway, we can't question people. We'll just continue. We'll just give them, and we gave them. Can't do the rims are for Katra still. They're taking them from him and taking them to his other car. Guys, when you go to shows and there's no car, guys, it's a painful feeling. It's a painful feeling to go to a show and you don't have a car. But your cars are all around the world.
Never tadi rolling no mo benjimo. Ngubi akasi mutweli. Nana rusa yizuru benji. Ora kwa abila yargebo. Abila nerten.
This sticker is here, man.
I'll tell us you go.
Kuwit. Wababa.
You know, one angle. That's such a number.
What's the tabeli branded? What's the tabeli branded?
India.
Hey, gumrao. Saga. RC. Saga.
Ay, exactly.
Arvaying, and then I'm going to go on a newborn. You're not going to newborn baby. You're not going to Saga. I called him Saga.
Saga is coming tomorrow.
That's why his name is Saga.
Tomorrow, I'm to species.
Saga. So guys, now we are taking this guy's stairs because our Polo is busy getting some. Angeko sitelele ngoba mina ngizokuthi uzozwa kare. It's hey bana basikolo iyang sikolo ikwa chipi yalla dendombelele bana basikolo iyang sikolo medical school bamikaleduba narsa me Katra. Break that trailer. She go out. New. Tunggu pucai. Sigafana.
Mara satu orang boleh drop dulu.
Now we home.
Jongga spray rimi.